Hey everyone, it's finally that time again. It's the end of the semester, and so exams are coming up for the next 2 weeks. So during this time, it's important to remember to plan your time accordingly, but also to schedule in breaks so that you're not overwhelmed with everything. When studying for exams, it may be a good idea to make some overall exam notes, depending on the type of exam that you have. So one way to do this is simply go through all your PowerPoint lectures from the classes and also your own personal notes from them and sort of combine them in a way, like putting them in a Word document together and making it all comprehensive. And once you have all these notes in one place, it's a good idea to print them off. That way you avoid distractions on your computer if you're trying to study that way, because the internet's just one click away. It's really easy to get distracted. Whereas if you just have it on paper, it's portable, you can go anywhere with it, and it's pretty easy to study off of. And you can also make highlights too to try to remember the more important things that you took notes on. So depending on the type of exam you're taking, if it's multiple choice or essay, it may be a good idea to create flashcards. Because if you have sections where it's all definitions or terms, this is a good way to study them. It's easy and it's efficient, and again it's portable and you don't have the distraction of a computer. But there are online flashcard makers that you could use as well instead of print flashcards. But one thing that I find that helps a lot is taking practice tests. If you use a textbook for your course, usually if you look in the front flap or the back flap, usually there's some website where you can go onto it and there'll be practice quizzes for each chapter. And sometimes you'll even find similar questions on your test, so they're really helpful because they help you get into the type of zone if you're taking a multiple choice test, that is. But they sometimes have essay questions or short answer questions as well. It all depends on the textbook. But all of these things are good tips for studying without distractions and also making good study notes. So I wish you all luck, and I hope you have a nice summer holiday.